Start your journey now with the Human-Augmented Autonomous SOC from Stellar Cyber, the only AI-native SecOps platform purpose-built for MSSPs and lean enterprise security teams. Reduce risk and maximize the return on investment of your security operations. Stellar Cyber empowers lean security teams to secure cloud, on-premises, and OT environments from a single AI and automation-driven platform, unifying all your tools to deliver full visibility, faster response, and stronger outcomes without complexity. The open and unified Stellar Cyber AI-powered platform delivers next-generation SIEM and NDR capabilities that enable full-cycle detection, triage, investigation, and response for MSSPs to provide high-margin, differentiated services. Built on a unified architecture, Stellar Cyber breaks the mold of closed EDR-centric platforms by integrating across any tool, giving providers full visibility and control. Cybercrime magazine caught up with one provider, Sumitomo Chemical, at the 2026 RSA conference. America's CISO Erwin Eimers discussed their partnership with Stellar Cyber.
We protect all the companies that we own. Stellar plays a big role in there because we have IT, the regular IT, but we also have OT. We have a lot of plants, and those need to be protected too. And they're two completely separated networks, of course. But Stellar is really the only tool we have that unifies this one pane of glass for IT and OT.
Yuri Hart is the Vice President of Products and Solutions at Marlink, another one of Stellar Cyber's partners. He elaborated on what makes their platform stand out from others in the industry.
The big opportunity and also the possibilities that the platform offers from Stellar Cyber is that it's not only a SIEM, but also an NDR. In the maritime industry specifically, there is a big need for that component, the NDR, by law and regulation. You need to monitor traffic between a engine of a vessel and a voyage data recorder, for example. And with that single platform, we're actually able to do that.
This episode is brought to you by Stellar Cyber. To learn more about our sponsor, visit stellarcyber.ai.